Hey everyone, this is Coach, and we're getting a couple days before the close of the enrollment for Real Estate Start School, which is my primary course that I teach and help people become good at finding real estate deals, buying them, financing, closing on them, and making money on them. And I thought I would explain a little bit about how the course works behind the scenes. You might be wondering, what is a course? What is all this? You used to call it a course in a community. How does that all work? So I'm going to explain the 4 C's real briefly. The course is a class, so all the curriculum and the education, which I'll explain briefly. It's coaching, so you get group coaching from me on a weekly basis with office hours and an online community. You get a community of other like-minded people who are also looking to achieve financial independence, looking to grow their real estate investing business, and then you get case studies. So let me briefly unpack each one of those. The class is really the foundation of everything. It's the actual lessons, the workbook. You get a physical workbook mailed to you if you're in the continental US. You get spreadsheets, you get cheat sheets, tools, all of those with the objective of helping you master and be good at becoming a skilled deal maker in real estate. So we focus on your target market. How do you evaluate your market? How do you run the numbers? How do you get financing and money for your deals? How do you build a team? And how do you find good deals? Those are the 5 core modules, but then we build on those. All those 70 videos are on that kind of core component. But then we build on that. I have bonus courses that I've continue adding that you get as well as part of Real Estate Start School. Like I have a 17 strategies to help you find deals called Real Estate Deal Finding. I have a creative financing course to help you use alternative forms of financing like seller financing, lease options, things like that. I have a recession-proof real estate course taught by Jay Scott, and really smart guy talking about the ups and downs of the market and how you adapt your real estate business, which is very relevant right now. I'm going to be adding a course called Real Estate Negotiations in June, and then I have a book that I provide you called Estimating Rehab Costs, also by Jay Scott. So all of that's the core education. You can do it self-paced, or you can go on an 8 or a 16-week schedule with everyone else inside the course. There's also coaching that I mentioned, and I'm an enthusiastic coach. I go by Coach Carson for a reason, and I do that every week by having office hours. In April and May, I'll do it every Thursday night at 8 p.m. Throughout the year, though, I have at least monthly office hours. Sometime in the spring and fall, I'll do more often. So you have a lot of opportunities to engage with me, ask questions. There's never been an office hours that go by where somebody didn't have their question addressed or talked about. I'm really proud of that, and you'll get your questions answered. We'll discuss things. I'll get to know you. You get to know me. We have a lot of fun there. You can also ask lessons inside the community, and inside the actual lessons of the course, you can ask questions too. There's a community behind the course, which I'm really excited about. There's good people who've been in the course already, and then people coming into the course, and you get to know them, you get to interact with them. And we have something really cool called accountability and learning groups, where you sign up, you opt in, it's voluntary, but you opt in to be put into a group of 5 or 6 people who are at a similar level to you or similar interest, like a house hacker or buy and hold rental. So we group you by that classification. And then we have a online community on Slack, an online platform, and we'll have weekly projects, engagement, where you get to know these people, learn from these other people. It's a lot of fun. We also have a Facebook group, which is kind of the bigger, broader part of the community, which over time is probably going to transition off of Facebook. But right now, you can also ask questions year round, and a lot of people are engaged there as well. And then office hours, you get to know everybody there too. Finally, I really like case studies. I'm a big fan of the Harvard Business School style of learning, where you take all these principles from the course and you apply them to real projects. So I'm going to give you projects during the first 5 or 6 weeks of the course where we look at real properties, real markets, and ask you to apply those and learn them and then compare them with everybody else. Everybody in your accountability learning group, you'll get to learn from them, see how they did it. And this applied learning is where you really dig in and learn the concepts so that you can go use it in your own market. All right, so those are the 4 C's: case studies, community, coaching, and class. That's what Real Estate Start School is all about. If you're interested in it, you can go to coachcarson.com/RESS. That stands for Real Estate Start School. That's the enrollment page, and you can get more details about the course. You can also email me if you have questions, chad@coachcarson.com. Thanks so much for your interest. Have an awesome day.